If you're looking for the best voice changer
to sound like a celebrity,
an anime character,
or even a VTuber, stay tuned.
in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best voice changers for PC: W-Okada voice changer, EaseUS VoiceWave, and HitPaw VoicePea. I'll clearly explain each tool's pros and cons, so you can choose the one that fits you best. Now let's dive in. So first, let's take a look at W-Okada voice changer. It's a completely free, real-time voice changer. Click the W-Okada voice changer download link in the description, install it, and launch the software. You'll see a screen like this. First, set your input microphone and output device. Next, select your GPU. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, just keep the default option. After that, you can import voice models and start changing your voice in real time.
And I don't know what she normally sounds like, but I think this sounds pretty good.
This voice sound like this.
W-Okada voice changer is very powerful, but it's also a bit tricky to use, especially for beginners. So if you're interested, I've linked a full tutorial video in the description to help you get started. Next, let's explore EaseUS VoiceWave. After you install and launch the software, you'll see a screen like this. First, set your input microphone and output device. Then, switch to the free section. Here, you'll find several free voice effects you can use right away. You can simply click a voice,
start talking, and instantly hear the change in real time.
EaseUS VoiceWave is very beginner-friendly and easy to use. However, the number of free voices is quite limited. If you want to unlock more voice effects, you'll need to upgrade to the paid version. Last but not least, let's see HitPaw VoicePea. This software supports both audio file voice changing and real-time voice changing, giving you more flexibility. Compared to W-Okada voice changer, HitPaw VoicePea is much easier to install and use. Just click the download link, install the software, and open it. You'll be guided to the setup page. Select your microphone and speaker, then click Continue. And you'll enter the real-time voice changing interface, where you can choose from many different voice effects. If you want to use voices for free, you can go to the Task Center to earn credits, and then redeem the voices you want. You can use HitPaw VoicePea on Discord, Steam, and most game platforms, making it a great choice for real-time voice changing, streaming, and gaming. And that wraps up today's video. Each of these voice changers offers a different experience, so feel free to check them out and see which one works best for you. I hope you found this comparison useful. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.